Hello everybody, welcome to ACNET Physics by your video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from unit 16 of your NEET syllabus, that is optics. The question is, an object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. So this is the concave mirror. Concave mirror. Its focal length is 15 centimeter. Object is placed at 40 centimeter from the concave mirror. So after that, if the object is displaced through a distance 20 centimeter towards the mirror, so this is the first case. The distance between the object and the lens is 40 centimeter. But in the second case, the object is moved towards 20 centimeter. So this is 20 and one more 20 is here. So from this point, object is moved towards the lens through 20 centimeter. So totally it is 40 centimeter. After moving through 20, the remaining 20 centimeter has been moved. Okay, let it be. So the object is placed through a distance 20 centimeter towards the mirror. The displacement of the image will be, in both the cases, we will get image at some points. This is not. What is the displacement of the two images? That you are going to get. So you are given four options: 30 centimeter away from the mirror, 36 centimeter away from the mirror, 36 centimeter towards the mirror, and the fourth one is 30 centimeter towards the mirror. Which is the right answer. So let us solve the problem. So this question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2018. So by sign convention, for convex lenses, concave mirror, convex mirror, you are having Cartesian coordinate system, you have sign convention. So f is the focal length of the mirror. So as it is a concave mirror, this is minus 15 centimeter. This 15 centimeter it has been given here. For a concave mirror, it is minus 15 centimeter by convention, sign convention. You have one equation called the mirror equation that gives you 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by r. What is v, sir? Distance between the image and the lens. What is u? Distance between the object and the lens. And f, focal length of the mirror. And not the lens, in this case it is mirror. Distance between the image and the mirror, distance between the object and the mirror, and this is the focal length. So case 1, 1 by v1 plus 1 by u1 is equal to 1 by u. Sir, 1 by f1, sir, no f1 by u1, because lens is the same here. So it has a focal length 15 centimeter. But in both the cases, we are changing the positions of the objects. So ultimately, we will have different positions for images also. Is it not? So 1 by v1 plus 1 by u1 is equal to 1 by u. U1, distance between the mirror and the object, that is minus 40. So it is minus 40, sir. It has been given us only 40 centimeter. So by sign convention, it is minus 40 centimeter. This is just of the mirror. Okay. V1, distance between the mirror and the image. So 1 by v1 is equal to, you bring 1 by u1 to other side, it will become minus. So 1 by v1 is equal to 1 by f at the end. You bring this and it becomes negative minus 1 by u1. So it is equal to, what is 1 by f? 1 by minus 15. What is 1 by v? Minus 1 by minus 40. Okay. So what is the LCM for 40 and 15? 120. 8 into 15, 120. 4 into 3, 120. So 120 common. 8 into 15, okay, minus 8. Minus 1 into 3, so minus 3. So minus of minus plus. So minus 8 plus 3, ultimately will get minus 1. So 1 by v1 is equal to minus 5 divided by 120. Therefore v1 is equal to minus 120 divided by 5. So it is equal to minus 24 centimeter. V1 is equal to minus 24 centimeter for this case. What about the case 2, sir? We'll see. So this is, it becomes 20 centimeter. So case 2, 1 by v2 is plus 1 by u2 is equal to 1 by u. You bring this to the other side. Already you know that u2, distance between the mirror and the object, that is what? You are moving towards the mirror by 20 centimeters. So minus 40, minus 20, it is equal to minus 20 centimeters. That is what has been written in the figure 2, the lower figure in the previous slide. Minus 20 centimeters. So we need to distance between the mirror and the image. Okay, that's it. That you have to find. So 1 by keep 1 by u2 here and bring 1 by u to the other side. So 1 by f as it is minus 1 by u2. So this is f is equal to minus 15 already you know. 1 by minus 15 minus 1 by minus 20. This is minus 20. What is the LCM for 20 and 15? 4 into 15, 60. 3 into 20, 60. So 60. So 4 minus 4 minus 3 minus 3. So minus of minus plus 3 minus 4 plus 3 equal to minus 1 divided by 60. 1 by v2 is equal to minus 1 by 60. So v2 is equal to 60 divided by 1. So minus 60 centimeter. What you are going to find out? Displacement of image. So v2 minus 60 degree. v1 24 minus 60 centimeter. v1 minus 24 centimeter. That has been given in the previous slide. So minus 60 minus of minus 24 minus of minus plus. So minus 60 plus 24 that is equal to minus 36. So 36 centimeter. As per the negative say 36 centimeter away from the mirror. The second image will be obtained at 36 centimeter away from the mirror. So that is option 2 is the right answer for this question. Option 2 is the right answer for this question. Okay, so far in our channel we have discussed 16 questions. I have to say more than 16. In the previous rounds, round 1 and 2, we have seen 13 questions for ray optics and also 13 questions for wave optics. So totally 26 questions already we have seen. With these 3, it becomes 29 questions so far in the optics. Okay, so in our next video, we will see questions from dual nature of matter and radiation. Okay, that is unit 17 of your unit syllabus. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.